Have you accidentally lost contacts after an iOS update or mistakenly deleted contacts while organizing your iPhone contact list? If so, how do you recover contacts from your iPhone after losing them? Everything will be okay if you have backed up your contacts on your iPhone, but if you haven't, there are still ways to fix this issue. In today's video, we're going to show you 3 methods to restore deleted contacts from your iPhone. Let's dive in. Method 1. Recover contacts without backup. If you haven't backed up your iPhone, the only way to recover deleted contacts is to use a reliable and efficient data recovery tool like Phone Rescue. It enables you to directly recover deleted contacts to your iPhone without a backup. You can scan your iPhone and preview all the data, then select the phone numbers you want to retrieve from the phone memory. Besides, Phone Rescue for iOS also allows you to restore iTunes backups with ease. It supports all iPhone models, including the latest iPhone 17. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch Phone Rescue for iOS on your computer. You will see 3 options. Connect your iPhone to the computer and select Recover from iOS device, then click the right arrow to continue. Step 2. You will see all types of data stored on your iPhone. Select Contacts to proceed. Step 3. Preview the deleted contacts, check the items you want to recover, and click the To Device button to retrieve the deleted contacts to your iPhone. Method 2. Recover contacts from iCloud. If you have ever synced your iPhone contacts via iCloud, you can try this method. First, go to iCloud. Come in a web browser and log in with your Apple ID and password. Then click Settings and find Restore Contacts under the Advanced section. Next, select a contact archive to restore your contacts from iCloud to your iPhone. Method 3. Recover contacts through iTunes. If you backed up your iPhone to your computer using iTunes before losing your contacts, you can restore your iPhone from the iTunes backup to get back the lost contacts. Firstly, connect your iPhone to the computer that has the required iTunes backup. iTunes will launch automatically once it detects your iPhone. Secondly, go to the Summary tab and find Restore Backup. Note, restoring an iPhone from a backup does not allow selective recovery. All existing data on the iPhone will be overwritten by the backup data, and you may lose some important data that hasn't been backed up recently. Hope these methods help you get your contacts back successfully. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you next time.